Welcome to Bedroom Comfort.
Here is the quick simple take before you buy. Here is the quick simple review of the wall shelves. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. Premium quality construction crafted from durable engineered wood, this shoe rack is designed for long lasting. That can make it more useful in everyday situations. Space-saving organization. This shoe stand can maximize your closet or entryway space by neatly organizing your. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. Easy assembly and maintenance coming with step-by-step instructions. The assembly is hassle-free. The smooth. For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are wall storage, cleaner setup, and home decor. The one caution is simple. Check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. According to one shopper who bought it, brief content visible, double tap to read full content. My simple verdict: the wall shelves looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.